All right, we're going to get ice cream at Brooker's. Founding Father. Cool little place with some good flavors. All right, and all the stuff in here, super cool. All right, they have a different couple options, and they do mark gluten-free. Really cool. Man, so high fat, high butter content. And they dress in character. Cool. All right, that is gray ice cream. It's their Madagascar vanilla original color, like back in the old days. And then what did you get?
The honeycomb vanilla.
Honeycomb vanilla, gluten-free. And we added some stuff to it. This is our big cheat day. Can't wait to try it. All right, that was wonderful. Located here off the 101 and Chandler Boulevard in Chandler, of course. I think they got a lot of locations, Nicole was saying, in Utah. So definitely a must check out. Fantastic ice cream. And it's 110 today, so why not? Well, next video, you'll probably see us down under. So we're going to Australia, and we'll check you on the next one.